Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be opening up another Funko Pop vinyl figure, this one from Disney's Moana, number 420, Fiti. Now, this is the island which Maui ends up stealing that diamond from, or that rock from. One in a set of 5. And it starts the whole process of, everything going bad. You ask me, the character itself looks a lot like, especially at the end when she's angry, giving him that look, it looks a lot like Beyonce. I don't know, it's just my own personal opinion. Looks nice. Can't go wrong with Beyonce. Okay, you got non-standard, standard Funko Dead Eyes for a woman, female character. Now the head does not spin very much, it's very limited because of the hair. We've got green all over, so even the eyes are green. Standard drawn on eyebrows. Non-standard Funko Pyramid nose, it's a little larger. And then you've got this amazing hair. Look at that. And you got that awesome little crown made out of, flowers and everything. Great mix of colors here. You've got the light green for the skin, got darker green for the hair, and then a slightly darker shade of green than the skin for the crown. The rest of the body also has that same color as the crown, and the hands have the same shade as the face. At the bottom, oddly enough, no licensing stuff. Weird. Let's see how inside you can get a slight look at what's going on. Not really though. Beautiful looking figure. Great hand detail on the hands there. Just all around a lot of great detail. An amazing texturing. Set her down. Thankfully, no stand, so don't need it. Again, like I said, the head doesn't turn too much because of the hair. So be aware of that. And there you have her. From Disney's Moana, number 420, Fiti. If you want to see more, hit the like button. If you like what you see, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to know when I put up new videos, hit that bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching. Bye.